Hi, it's January 14th, 2014. I just want to review our trading from today. Um, Coming into the day, we were 13 straight winning trades, except for one scratch loser of two ticks, and we started off the day great. Uh, First trade, 8:40, 8:40:58 in the morning. Um, we had a move to the upside, a retracement right to the 50, power entry long that went for 10. Then we had another pullback. You can see the 50 is green, the modified 15 is green. This is a C candle that is surrounded in blue. That means order flow, stochastic, and momentum are with us on the trade, and the trade just flew for 12 ticks. So we opened up with 10 and 12, and we have 15 straight winners. Now, if you look at this candle comes up to this swing pivot and misses breaking it by one tick. Then, when we get this entry, which is a two-line break of the 15 with the 15 turning green at the close, that same swing pivot, because it wasn't broken by simply one tick, prevented us from taking this 47 tick winner to the upside on crude oil. And that was really unfortunate. But we don't trade into unbroken pivots, and we don't trade into unbroken trend lines. So based on that hard and fast rule, we could not take this trade. And for the want of one single additional tick here, this pivot remained intact and prevented us from taking a 47 tick trade. That was the way it was today. Obviously, that would have closed out our day at plus 10, plus 12, and plus 47. Now, the next trade that we took on crude was a bounce. You see, we have a move up, move down, retracement, a bounce. The trade went a few ticks in our favor. This is a very aggressive bounce because optimally you want the modified 15 to be far above the trade, plenty of room to your first target, and yellow. Here it was coming down very, very hard into the trade, showing that there's likely to be a shift in momentum. The bounce you want to occur uh, in the direction of the 50, which we had, but with at the very least the 15 flat. So this was a very aggressive trade, and when I saw it push up two or three ticks and then start to come back, I took it out at -4. Then we had this really nice C, which I did not take, and in retrospect should have. The 15 modified 15 was coming down hard. The C is right here. It also comes with triple momentum. It's outlined in yellow, which means if you look down on our three line, order flow, stochastic, and momentum are all red and to the downside. I stood aside on the trade because the 50 hadn't rolled over completely. It was still green, but there was so much on this trade that I felt, now that I look at it, that I should have taken the risk on this trade. The risk was minimal, even though the 50 hadn't turned red. It was rolling, and there was just too much in our favor. So this would have been a 22 tick trade, and I was a little too conservative on that trade. Then we got a retracement. I took the bounce to the downside. I only got 7. It came back just 10 on a 10 tick trailer, and it cost us an additional 10. So this could have been a 17 tick winner for the want of just coming back exactly 10 to take out our stop. Now, that's the kind of day it was today. Missed getting a 47 tick long because a pivot was not taken out by one tick. Had that trailing stop taken out just by a pullback of exactly 10. So it was a little bit of a tough day. But then we had, I think we had one trade on the Russell, which is a real beautiful trade right here. It was a power entry off the 50, the move up, the retracement, into an intact trend, and then the move to the upside. And that went 19 ticks. Now, this was a beautiful three-line break. It met all of our criteria. It was really a perfect setup. And this is the first full loser I've had in 17 trades. I took the trade at 9:58:53 Eastern Time, only 1 minute into news. And the trade kind of languished around, and news sunk it. And then it shot up. So trading into news cost me this trade. And so this could have been a stellar day, and the trade setups were there. And what we wound up with was an okay day. We had 6 winners. I'm sorry, we had 6 trades, 4 winners, plus 10, plus 12, plus 7, plus 19, for a net positive tick total of 48. We had 2 losers. That one minus 10, my first full loser in 17 trades that I took into news. We had on that -4 on that power bounce with the modified 15 coming right down into the trade for -14. Net positive tick total of 34. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. This is for demonstration purposes only. But if you were trading on sim, you would have made $240 on 3 contracts. On 5, you would have made $370. And again, that's a first target of 6 ticks on crude, first target of 5 ticks on the Russell, second target of 10 on both, then on a 10-tick trailer. So you're trading 3 contracts. You take 2 off at target 1. Your third comes off on a 10-tick trailer. If you're trading 5, you take 3 off at target 1, 1 off at target 2, and then your 5th off on a 10-tick trailer. That would be your equity on sim for educational purposes today. So we continue to push up with our net equity for the week, and a tremendous amount of net equity for the month. And I hope everybody has a great day, and I'll be talking to you very soon. And I hope everybody sees the power, the power of this system. We had tremendous trades today. We didn't capitalize on all of them. Some of that was my own fault. And you know, we're human, and after 13 winners in a row, today was a little bit lackluster, but it still gave us some nice equity. And you can call us for a free trial in the room anytime at 1-855-765-6681. Or go to the website and just simply send us an email. Go to the Contact Us page and simply say I request a room trial, and we'll be more than happy to give you one. And the website is www.rightlinetrading.com. Everybody have a great day.